Welcome to this detailed project explanation video for age and gender detection using deep learning. In this video, we'll explore how this AI system works, the technologies behind it, the machine learning models used, and how students can use this project for academic submissions and practical learning. This project is a complete end-to-end deep learning application capable of analyzing a human face from an image or live webcam feed and predicting two key attributes: the gender of the person and their estimated age range. The system uses advanced deep learning models integrated into a Flask web application to deliver real-time predictions with high accuracy. The working process begins by either uploading an image or activating the live webcam mode. Once the system receives a frame, it performs face detection using OpenCV's deep neural network module. The detected face is then cropped, pre-processed, and fed into two pre-trained convolutional neural networks, a gender classification model and an age range estimation model. The output is then displayed directly on the screen with bounding boxes and labels such as male, 25 to 32, or female, 15 to 20. This project combines both artificial intelligence and web development. The main technologies used include Python for the backend logic, Flask as a lightweight web framework, and OpenCV for face detection and deep learning inference. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for building the interactive interface, and cafe-based deep learning models for age and gender prediction. This hybrid structure makes the project ideal for students who want hands-on experience with practical AI applications. The system uses three pre-trained deep learning models. Face detection model, OpenCV DNN. This model locates human faces in an image with high precision. Age prediction model, Cafe CNN, trained on large face datasets. This model assigns faces into one of 8 age groups, such as 0 to 2, 4 to 6, 15 to 20, 25 to 32, and so on. Gender prediction model, Cafe CNN, a binary classifier that predicts whether a person is male or female. These models eliminate the need for heavy training and allow the project to run smoothly on most systems, including normal laptops without a dedicated GPU. The architecture of this project follows a clean and modular structure. The front-end layer is responsible for the user interface. The Flask backend handles image uploads, webcam streaming, and routing. The machine learning layer performs face detection and deep learning inference. Finally, the rendering layer draws the bounding box and predictions on the processed frame. This design makes the system easy to understand, modify, and expand. This project is especially valuable for students because it provides hands-on experience with AI, real-time video processing, and web development, all in one system. Students learn how deep learning is applied in the real world and also gain strong portfolio material they can showcase in interviews or final year presentations. Additionally, the project is fully modular and can be extended with new models, redesigned UI, or additional features like emotion detection or face recognition. Thank you for watching this explanation video. If you are working on machine learning or final year projects, this age and gender detection system is a powerful and educational choice. Feel free to explore, modify, and enhance it as you continue your journey into artificial intelligence.